Hey Joanne, it's Bob Holtacker with Prime Motor Cars Mercedes-Benz here in Scarborough, Maine. Thanks for asking about our 2016 Subaru Crosstrek. Like all of our pre-owned cars, this came to us as a trade. Beautiful condition. They traded for a new Mercedes-Benz. They certainly had the wherewithal to maintain this car as it should be, and the car shows it. Nice color. It really is in great shape. It looks just like the new ones. I wanted to turn the wheel here for you to see the brand new tires we put on this car. It hasn't even been through the wash yet. You can still see when they mounted the tires, so that's terrific. All season tires. Walk around the car, it's got nice wheels on it with the black inlay. Really a terrific look, and as you know, the Crosstrek has been very successful for Subaru, very successful for people that are outdoorsy and love to ski, and very capable in the snow. I'll open up this door here. I love this interior. I love the two-tone, and it really is a nice interior. So I think what we'll do now is take it for a ride around our parking lot. So here we are in the car. We're going to take a little ride around. It has 55,594 miles. I see cruise control here, nice touch screen with the radio. You have Pandora. Really nice. I like this car. Subaru has a real reputation for safety, and I know this car is rated by Consumer Reports as very, very safe. It feels solid. I don't hear any rattling or things like that. You really need to drop down here in the next couple days and test drive this car. Saturday is going to be about 65 and sunny, and that is our largest sales day, and the better cars tend to leave on Saturdays. So I'd like to have this for you. So maybe we could talk later today. Thank you very much. I'll call you, Joanne. Bye-bye.